Alright, so this is what we're dealing with. This is not safe. So, today you'll be learning how to do your wheel studs on your car. Alright, wheel is off. These are the two good studs I have. Okay, did not find a bungee cord, but I have it hung nonetheless. Alrighty, so once you get that bracket off, this is what that looks like now. Okay. Now, you can, let's see if we can get good lighting in there. You can essentially, and we will, bang them out from the back. Alright, so what you do is you line up the bad one, line that up with the back portion there, and that is where the back of it is at. So see if I can do this with one hand. There you have it, it's no longer in there. Now we might have to fish it from the back. It will come back here and grab it. And that's the old one and the new one. Okay, so quite a difference. So we just grab this one right here, and from the back we'll fish it right through to the front there. You got that in at O'Reilly's. Not sure where the part number is. There is no part number on this tool, but anyways, this tool fits right on top of that, like so. And you get, I gotta use both hands. Give me a sec. Alrighty, I had to use both hands for that, but the tool sits here, the nut sits here, and there's a bearing in the middle here. And that bearing lets the bottom part sit still, and then this will be able to spin freely, no binding or anything like that. If you're doing this without this tool, you're going to probably ruin the nut you're using, so maybe buy a couple extra. Other side here, we got right there. So red blow. Yep, you can see there, that one's just sitting right there. So if this is that one, it's gonna get replaced with that one there. Fish it from the back. There we go. So tool on there, and nut goes right there. So we see that point there. All right, here we go. Just a little bit more to go to get it fully seated. That's about it. So not too hard to replace these. So these are all set, all done. So So we're gonna get the brake caliper bracket and brakes bolted back on there with those 217s, get the wheel back on here, and we're done with that job.